So now we're starting binomial expansions. The first question says find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 1 minus 2x whole power 6. Now for x cube, the value of r will be 3. The formula is tr plus 1 equals to ncr into a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. Now we need the term with r as 3, so t3 plus 1 equals to 6c3 into 1 to the power 6 minus 3 into minus 2x whole power 3. 6c3 is 20. 1 with any power is 1, so that will not change anything, so we'll leave 1. And then minus 2x whole cube would be minus 8x cube. Now 20 into 8 is minus 160x cube, so the coefficient is minus 160. Now in the next part, find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 1 plus x upon 2 into 1 minus 2x whole power 6. This bracket is simplified, so we can see that multiplying 1 with x cube would give us a term in x cube, and multiplying x upon 2 by a term in x square would give us a term in x cube. So 1 plus x upon 2, we need the term in this expansion which is the coefficient of x square. So for that we have t2 plus 1 equals to 6c2 into, we leave out 1 because 1 doesn't make a difference, and then minus 2x whole power 2 equals to 15 into 4x square equals to 60x square. So 60x square minus 160x cube. Now multiplying 1 with minus 160x cube will give us minus 160x cube, and multiplying x upon 2 with 60x cube will give us 30x cube. This equals to minus 130x cube, so the coefficient is minus 130. Now the next question says find and simplify the first 3 terms of the expansion in ascending powers of x of 1 minus 4x whole power 5. Now for this, we'll first write the general term. tr plus 1 equals to n is 5, so 5cr into, as 1 won't make a difference, so we'll leave out 1, and then minus 4x whole power r. For the first term, r will be 0, so 5c0 is 1, r is 0 over here, a bracket with whole power 0 is 1, so the first term is 1. The second term, it's 5c1 into minus 4x, and the third term is 5c2 into minus 4x whole square. So this is equals to 1 plus 5c1 is 5 into minus 4x is minus 20x plus 5c2 is 10. So 10 into 16x square, this is equals to 1 minus 20x plus 160x square plus dot dot. The next part says the first 3 terms in the expansion of 1 minus 4x whole power 5 and 1 plus ax plus bx square are these. Find the value of each of the constants a and b. So the first 3 terms will have the powers of x as 0, 1 and 2. So we'll use this expansion of the bracket 1 minus 20x plus 160x square 1 plus ax plus bx square. Now 1 ones are 1 plus ax plus bx square minus 20x minus 20 ax square minus 20 bx cube plus 160x square plus 160 ax cube. Now in the next part we need only the terms with the powers of x as 0, 1 and 2. So with 0 it's 1, with the power as 1 we have ax minus 20x, so we'll write a minus 20x plus, with x square it's bx square minus 20 ax square and plus 160x square, so b minus 20a from here and then plus 160x square. Now this is equals to 1 minus 23x plus 222x square as given in the question. Now a minus 20 equals to minus 23, a equals to minus 3, and b minus 20a plus 160 equals to 222, b minus 20 minus 3 equals to 222 minus 160, 62, b equals to 62 minus 60, b equals to 2. So I shifted this on this side, this was 60, so 62 minus 60 is 2. So the next question is, find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 1 minus 2x whole power 7. Over here the coefficient of x cube will be the term with r as 3, so we'll use t 3 plus 1 equals to NCR, so 7c3 into, as a is 1 so it won't make any difference, so we'll leave out a, and then b to the power r, and r is 3. Now 7c3 is 35 into minus 8x cube, this is equals to minus 280 x cube, so the coefficient is minus 280. Now the next part says 3 plus 4x and 1 minus 2x whole power 7. We need to find the coefficient of x cube. Now to find the term with x cube, we have to multiply the constant with the term in x cube, that is this, and we have to multiply the term with x power 1 with the term with x power 2. So in this expansion we'll need the terms in x square and x cube. To find the term in x square, we'll have r as 2, so t2 plus 1 equals to 7c2 into minus 2x whole power 2. 7c2 is 21 into 4x square, this equals to 84x square. So 84x square minus 280x cube. Multiply 3 with minus 280x cube, that will give us minus 840x cube. We multiply 4x with 84x square. 4 into 84 is 336x cube. Now 336 minus 840, this equals to minus 504 x cubed. The coefficient is minus 504. Next part says find the term independent of x in the expansion of x plus 3 upon x square whole power 6. If we were to make the general formula for this term, it would be tr plus 1 equals to 6, which is n, cr into x to the power n minus n is 6, so x to the power 6 minus r into 3 to the power 3 upon x square whole power r. This equals to 6cr into x to the power 6 minus r into 3 to the power r upon x to the power 2r equals to 6cr into 3 to the power r into x to the power 6 minus r minus 2r. This minus 2r came from here. The power was shifted up into the numerator, so the power became minus. So this is equals to 6cr into 3 to the power r into x to the power 6 minus 3r. Now we want the term independent of x. That means the power of x will be 0. So that means 6 minus 3r should be equals to 0. Now here r would come as 2. So to find the coefficient, we'll use this part, 6c2 into 3 square. 6c2 into 3 square. This is equals to 135. That is the term independent of x in the expansion of this. The next question is, in the expansion of 1 plus 2x whole power n, the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 10 times the coefficient of x square. Find the value of the positive integer n. The general formula for the term will be tr plus 1 equals to ncr into, as 1 a is equals to 1, so that wouldn't make any difference, so we'll leave that, into 2x whole power r. Now for the term in x to the power 4, r will be 4, so t 4 plus 1 equals to nc4 into 2x whole power 4. And for the term in x square, r will be 2, so nc2 into 2x whole square. The coefficient of x to the power 4 is, okay, we'll simplify this first, nc4 into 2 to the power 4 is 16x to the power 4, and here nc2 into 4x square. So they're saying the coefficient of x to the power 4, which is this part, is 10 times the coefficient of x square, that is this. So nc4 into 16 is equals to 10 times nc2 into 4. Now simplifying this, nc4 will become n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 16 equals to 10 into n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4. So I'm writing the general formula for NCR. NCR equals to n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. So that is how I've expanded these. Now n factorial and n factorial get cut. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Now we'll shift n minus 2 over here, n minus 2 factorial upon n minus 4 factorial equals to 10 upon 4 into 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. When we expand this, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial upon n minus 4 factorial, these two get cancelled, equals to 5 upon 2 into 4 factorial would be 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 16, 12 2s are 24 upon 2, 2 1s are. Now expanding this, n square minus 2n minus 3n plus 6 equals to 30, n square minus 5n minus 24 equals to 0. Solving this, n equals to 8 or n equals to minus 3. Now the question said that we have to find the positive integer n, so the only possible answer is n equals to 8. So in these type of questions, at this step, always keep the bracket with the lower constant on the top, because when we expand that, this will always come in its expansion. Now the next question, find in the simplest form the first three terms of the expansion of 2 minus 3x whole power 6 in ascending powers of x. Now 2 minus, so the general term will be tr plus 1 equals to 6cr into a, which is 2 to the power 6 minus r, into minus 3x whole power r. The first term will have r as 0, so 6c0 into 2 to the power 6 into 3x whole power 0, 6c1 into 2 to the power 5 into minus 3x whole power 1 plus 6c2 into 2 to the power 4 into minus 3x whole square. This is the expansion. On the next part, they're saying find the coefficient of x squared and the expansion of 1 plus 2x, 2 minus 3x whole power 6. So 1 plus 2x, and in this expansion we'll need the terms in x square and in x. So in x square the term is 2160 and minus 576 in x. So we'll write minus 576x plus 2160x square. Now 1 multiplied by 2160x square will give us 2160x square, and 576 into 2 we'll get 1152x square. 2160 minus 1152 is 1008x square. So the coefficient is 1008. Next question is, given that a is a constant, expand 2 plus ax whole power 4 in ascending powers of x, simplifying each term of your expansion. So here we'll have tr plus 1 equals to 4cr into 2 to the power 4 minus r into ax whole power r. Now the first term will have r as 0, so 4c0 is 1, and ax whole power 0 is 1, so 2 to the power 4 will be 16, plus second term will have r as 1, so 4c1 into 2 to the power 3 into ax plus 4c2 into 2 square into a square x square plus 4c3 into 2 into a cube x cube plus 4c4 into 2 to the power 0 into a to the power 4 x to the power 4. 16 plus 4c1 into 32 ax plus 4c2 into 2 square is 24 a square x square. 4c3 into 2 is 8 a cube x cube, and 4c4 is 1, so a to the power 4 x to the power 4. This is the answer of the first part. Second part, they're saying, given also that the coefficient of x square is equal to the coefficient of x cube, show that a is 3. The coefficient of x square is 24a square. This is equals to 8a cube. Now a square will get cancelled. 8 ones are 8 threes are, so a equals to 3. Shown. Third part says user expansion to show that the value of 1.97 whole power 4 is this. So we have a as 3, so our bracket is 2 plus 3x whole power 4. 2 plus 3x whole power 4 equals to 1.97 whole power 4. Powers get cancelled. 2 plus 3x equals to 1.97. So x will be 1.97 minus 2 upon 3. X is minus 0.01. So to find the value of 1.97 whole power 4, we'll use this value of x and substitute it into this equation. So equals to 16 plus 32, a is 3 and x is minus 0.01 plus 24 3 square minus 0.01 square plus 8 3 cube minus 0.01 cube plus 3 to the power 4 minus 0.01 whole power 4. This is equals to 16 plus 32 this is coming 15.06. So rounding it off to 1 decimal place, 15.06 will become 15.1.